Hello.
He says to me, what did you say to me?
Don't do that.
Don't do that. And then
I'll go first and I'll film it, alright?
of course.
So whatever I do, don't do that.
Is that what you meant?
Don't do that.
Oh, you alright?
Down there.
Are you alright there or not?
I think so.
Can you round up? Yeah. Can you step on it or not?
There's nothing to step on.
I'll have to just lift you under your arms and just lift you up.
Hang on, there's a post here.
Oh.
Maybe tug.
You know, you disappeared.
I'm surprised. You're alright though.
I wish I had that on
That's a
video.
lot of weight.
I wish I'd done.
I've got it.
Like that. Down.
Oh yeah, because look, there's a hole there.
Yeah. Yeah, I landed on my ribs on that f***ing
You
post.
can feel that. That's good. You know about that tomorrow, aren't you?
I think I might feel that tomorrow. Funny, stay on this side.
Okay. You just went.
I know.
Lucky I didn't lift away. I wouldn't know where you got.
I just thought, when will it end?
Probably like Red Bull Romaniacs who just drained down that.
That's hard enduro.
That is.